does a lawyer do? A legal counselor offers lawful guidance to individuals, government organizations, and offer portrayal to them when required. They get ready authoritative reports and decipher laws, guidelines, and decisions. Instructions to become a lawyer. A legal counselor spends a normal of 7 years in school. This separates into 4 years of undergrad school and 3 years a greater amount of graduate school. A 4-year college education is required to enter graduate school with best courses in English, open talking, government, history, financial matters, and math. Most all graduate schools require a candidate to take a law school admissions test, LSAT. To at last become a legal advisor, most states and locales need a Juris Doctor, J.D. closing parenthesis, law degree, and after that you should do the law-oriented test. Expected set of responsibilities of a lawyer. Legal advisors speak to customers in common law, criminal, preliminary, and present proof for their resistance. They likewise prompt their customers on their lawful rights or commitments and direction them on the most ideal approach to go before as per their legitimate conditions. A legal counselor behaviors explore on legitimate issues and is able to decipher laws, guidelines, and decisions. They draw up authoritative records like wills, deeds, contracts, claims, and requests. They may likewise direct legitimate aids or paralegals. A legal advisor can have some expertise in a wide range of territories of this calling. For example, they may have practical experience in a specific zone of law. For example, criminal law, safeguard, arraignment, charge, or ecological law. Attorneys generally work inside and in places of business. Anyway, some movement might be required when meeting with customers or going to court hearings. Legal advisor career video transcript. Legal advisors exhort people, organizations, and government offices on legitimate issues and debates, and speak to them in court and lawful exchanges. Additionally called lawyers. Legal advisors illuminate their customers about their lawful rights and commitments, and help steer them through the complexities of the law. They additionally advocate for their customers in court by introducing proof and making legitimate contentions. Legal advisors lead research and plan reports, for example, claims, wills, and contracts. They additionally supervise crafted by paralegals and legitimate secretaries. Legal counselors work for law offices, governments, and enterprises. In government, investigators are the lawyers who record charges against those blamed for disregarding the law, while open safeguards speak to people who can't stand to pay a lawyer. Legal counselors who work in law offices regularly begin as partners, and may progress to organization or part proprietor in their firm. The individuals who don't make accomplice following quite a while might be driven out. A training known as up or out. Legal advisors may have some expertise in a branch of knowledge. For example, ecological law, charged protected innovation, or family law. Most legal counselors work in workplaces and travel to visit customers or speak to their customers in court. They by and large keep full-time hours, and additional time is normal. Lawyers may confront substantial wait now and again. For instance, during preliminaries or when attempting to comply with time constraints. It as a rule takes 3 years of graduate school after school to turn into a legal advisor. All states expect attorneys to breeze through permitting tests called law knowledge reviews to specialize in legal matters. Earlier lawful offense feelings may exclude competitors from specializing in legal matters. NETTEKNO, what does a lawyer do?